Right, hello folks. I just wanted to do a quick walkthrough on uploading a badge. So I was spending my morning this morning in my office hours just working through grading some of your assignments, and I just wanted to make sure that everyone knew and understood where to actually go to find the actual badge that I'm looking for them to upload. So if you go out and view your grade center, some of you might have some comments that say this is a copy of the quiz. I don't need to see a copy of the quiz, and so I went ahead and gave some of you credit for that, but know moving forward that what I'm actually looking for is the upload of your actual badge with your name and the badge that you've completed associated with it. So real fast, let's just do a quick how-to on how to find the badge, take the badge quiz, and then upload that actual screenshot for that badge. So in your Blackboard landing space, if you go down under My Organizations, you're going to see something that says My Commons. When you click on My Commons, it's going to take you to a landing space that looks like this. For your Blackboard Basics badge, you're going to click right here where it says Student Blackboard, and that's going to take you into basically a module that says click here to start to work through that specific badge. So if we go ahead and click that, as you can see, it's walking me through, I've already attempted it. So it's going to walk you through the steps on how to complete that. Because I've already completed it, it's not allowing me to do it. So let me maybe try a different one here that I haven't done. I've done almost all of them. So essentially just know you're going to click on Student Blackboard, and then you want to walk through those steps to complete that Student Blackboard badge. So make sure that that's step one. Once you've completed that knowledge check, so you're going to go through the various modules associated with it, you're going to come to a knowledge check, you're going to take and complete a quiz. You have to earn a certain score on that quiz in order for that to actually grant you the badge. And then you're going to come back and you're going to see right here it says My Badge Book. You're going to click where it says My Badge Book, and that's going to upload any of the badges that you've completed. So if we scroll down here, you can see that it says, Andrea Shoemaker, you earned the Student Blackboard Basics badge. This is what I'm looking for a screenshot from. So you want to make sure that you take a screenshot of this, and that's what you upload as your completed assignment. So once you have that screenshot saved, you will come back to our course specifically. So if you come back and click on our course, and let me just put this into student view so that it doesn't look, it looks like yours. When you come back to the course specifically, you're going to click back on that learning module, and then you're going to go to the area within that learning module where it says to upload, and you can navigate here on the left-hand side. You're going to see right here we have the steps. So what I'm asking you to do, right, that you need to complete this badge, where you can access it, those sorts of things, following the step, making sure that you navigate back to the badge book. And then below that, directly below that, you're going to see this thing right here that says Student Blackboard Badge Assignment Upload, right? So you're going to see that right here. Take a screenshot. You're going to browse your files. So hopefully you saved it as like Andrea Shoemaker Blackboard Badge. You'll go out and browse your files to find that screenshot. And then you're going to scroll all the way down and you're going to see this little submit button here. And that's where you'll go ahead and submit that for me to view. So you want to make sure that you follow those steps every single time that we do a badge. So this is really important. I wanted to just spend a quick 5-minute how-to on how to upload a badge, because there are several badges throughout the semester that we'll work through, and you want to make sure that you're always navigating back to that My Badge Book and finding the respective badge that you completed, and then coming back and uploading that as your assignment. So please make sure you go out and check your grade center, check the comments, because if you've submitted it up to this point, I have provided feedback. If you have a 0, read the feedback as to why you have a 0. If you have a 0, go ahead and shoot me an email and we can work through that together. So this is how to upload your badges. I hope you're having a great week. Talk to you soon.